Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your follow company posts for industry insights, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your follow company posts for industry insights, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your homepage by clicking the LinkedIn logo in the top left corner. In your feed, locate the followed companies section. Click on the My Network tab at the top of the page. Select Connections from the drop-down menu. On the right side, you will see a section labeled Companies. Click on it to view all the companies you are following. Take note of the companies whose posts you want to verify. Visit the company profile by clicking on their name. On the company page, scroll down to the Recent Updates section. Review the posts made by the company. Look for posts that share industry insights, updates, or trends. Click on each post to see the engagement metrics. Assess the number of likes, comments, and shares to gauge interest. Make a note of the comments to see how the audience is responding. If applicable, share the post to your own feed to spark discussion. Utilize any free reports or downloadable content linked in the posts. Bookmark particularly insightful posts for future reference. Regularly repeat this process to stay updated with their latest insights. Engage with the company posts by leaving thoughtful comments or questions. This will help you build relationships and deepen your understanding of the industry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.